In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum a column in Excel. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to total a list of numbers using a formula and how to avoid a few common mistakes along the way. Start by opening your workbook and finding the column you want to total. Make sure the cells you plan to add actually contain numbers, not text. If a value is aligned to the left or has an apostrophe in front, Excel may treat it like text, which won't be included in a numeric sum. Next, click a blank cell where you want the total to appear. Placing the total directly below your list is common, but you can put it anywhere that's not inside the range you're about to add. Keeping it outside the list prevents accidentally including the total in the calculation. With that cell selected, type the formula. Begin with an equal sign, then type sum, followed by an open parenthesis. It should look like this as you type sum. Now highlight the numbers you want to add. Click the first cell in your column, then drag down to the last cell you want included. As you do this, Excel fills in the cell references for you, something like A2, A50. If your list is long, you can select the first cell, then hold Shift and click the last cell to highlight the entire block at once. When the correct range is selected, type a closing parenthesis to finish the formula, so it reads like SUM A2 A50. Make sure you don't include the column header or any extra blank rows you don't intend to sum. Once the formula looks right, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the total and display it in the cell you selected. If the result seems off, double-check that your range includes all the rows you meant to add and that all entries are numeric. You can click the formula cell and review the highlighted range to confirm it's correct. If you need to adjust the range later, click the total cell, look at the formula in the formula bar, and either edit the cell references or drag the blue handles around the highlighted area to include more or fewer rows. If you plan to add more items to the list over time, remember to expand the range so new rows are included in the total. That's all there is to it. Pick your result cell, type SUM, highlight your numbers, close the parenthesis, and press Enter. Simple, fast, and accurate.